Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about Excel data table. Now you can see I have a number of product 50 and product sold rate $60. I'm going to find the profit now. I'm clicking equal and I click the number of product, multiply, I click the product sold, enter. Now I can get the answer here. Now I'm going to create one table. For that I'm using like this. Now I'm clicking here and I click equal, I click the profit, then I enter. Now you can see the profit is came here. Now I'm typing here like sold rate 50, 40 and 20 like that. I will type one more, like I put 90, then I put the heading here, product sold rate. Then I select, I merge it and I change the background colors. Okay, and here I'm typing number of products. Suppose I have a 60, 40, 30 and 20. For example, I will type here number of product. Okay, I will reduce this one and this. Okay, this is also okay. I drag this one for understanding. Okay, now you can see here I have a table like this, product sold rate and number of products. Now you can see what I'm doing here. I'm selecting this table, then I will go to data menu, I click what if analysis and data table. If I click this, you can see row input cell, I select from here number of product. Column input cell, I select product sold rate. After that, if I click OK, now you can see the result will come automatically. You can see the result will come automatically here. This one you can see I have a 60 product, I sold in $50. Then you can see 3000. I will put the dollar sign again here for understanding. You can go to home and you can click the dollar like this. Now you can see I have a 40 product and I am selling $50. This is the profit I have. Now you can see the data table result will come like this, and actually this value connected with this profit. If this profit it is connected, if I deleted this value, you can see the old value will be 0. That's why every time you need to keep this one for getting this result. So guys, this is for today. I hope this video is helpful for you and I will come with more Excel advanced level. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.